Have you ever noticed that you don't react the way you used to? Things that once hurt you don't affect you the same anymore. Things that once broke you now teach you. This is not weakness. This is mental strength. Mental strength doesn't appear suddenly. It builds quietly through pain, experience, and growth. Here are 7 signs you're becoming mentally strong. Sign number 1. You stop taking everything personally. You realize that not everything is about you. People's behavior reflects their own struggles, not your worth. You stop reacting to every opinion. You stop explaining yourself to everyone. You start protecting your peace instead of protecting your ego. This is emotional maturity. This is strength. Sign number 2. You become comfortable being alone. You stop needing constant company. You stop fearing silence. You start enjoying your own presence because you realize being alone is not loneliness, it is freedom. Mentally strong people don't run away from themselves. They understand themselves. Sign number 3. You stop chasing people. You stop forcing conversations. You stop begging for attention. You realize that the right people will stay and the wrong people will leave, and you learn to be okay with that because mental strength teaches self-respect. Sign number 4. You control your emotions better. You still feel anger. You still feel pain, but you don't let emotions control your decisions. You pause. You think. You respond calmly instead of reacting emotionally. This is real power. Sign number 5. You stop seeking approval. You stop worrying about what everyone thinks. You stop living your life to impress others. You start living for yourself. Because mentally strong people don't need validation. They trust themselves. Sign number 6. You accept reality, even when it hurts. You stop denying the truth. You stop creating false hope. You see things for what they are and you move forward because acceptance gives you freedom. Sign number 7. You start protecting your peace. You avoid unnecessary drama. You stop arguing with everyone. You stop trying to win every battle. You choose peace over proving a point because you realize your energy is limited and your peace is valuable. Mental strength doesn't mean you never break. It means you rebuild yourself every time you do. If you see yourself in these signs, you are growing, you are evolving, you are becoming mentally strong, and that is your power.